Good evening, ma'am. By the way, my name is Rex B. Pradel, and this is my business logo. This auto car service. I choose to draw this logo because someday in my future I build my own business like auto car service or repair the damage of the car and motorcycle. And the color I choose red. I choose red to symbolize energy, power, and aggressive, which the obtain of qualities associated with the auto repair service. And in my business, I apply the servicing like service at home and to improve my skill about repairing the car or auto car servicing. So I chose this logo because for me this is the unique style and the design. For me, in my business company, in my future, and hopefully to succeed in my future business. And ma'am, this symbolize that this the open rings. This the open rings to like tools in the car or motorcycle. I use this, so I drew the like this the logo, and that this my logo. Thank you.